UNICEF has partnered with the organizers of Fathers and Sons Men's Conference. The aim is really to have fathers to engage in an intergenerational conversation with their boys. It's focused on the boys because um, of the previous neglect on the boy child. So far, if I could give a recap of the conference, there's been very engaging discussions from the boys themselves. I think my key takeaway is the top line is on mental health, attention to mental health, attention to issues that young men go through in turmoil, in silence, and asking fathers to really engage their sons and talking to them. The second one is intergenerational, living your childhood in your childhood, not carrying it over to your child's childhood, and to give them more space and give them psychological safety. Thirdly is the intergenerational divide between technology and the traditional cultures that we have gone through and that are creating tensions amongst fathers and sons. But generally, it's been very engaging, very enriching, and great takeaways, many good questions. A good question that was laid out to the conference this morning is, when do you stop being a boy and becoming a child? And various answers have been given to that, but mainly narrowing down, manhood is about responsibility, it's about accountability. And another key takeaway is gender-based violence, discussing with fathers and sons on how to overcome the norms of violence that have been embedded in the society and occasioned mainly to women. Very good statistics were shared by a former director of public prosecution. For about 100 cases, you'll only get perpetrators who are women, would only be 2%. Very, very sobering statistics. Thank you.